and welcome to Big Spenders, your weekly guide on high living and high spending, where we promise to get you the best from the world of luxury. In the next half an hour, indulge yourself with some stylish eye candies for the season. A visit to an exclusive Versace accessory boutique. And experience some serious pampering at Radisson MBD's new business wing. On the top of the show, the one fashion accessory that has a special place in each one's wardrobe and stands out especially on a bright sunny day. Yes, we are talking about this season's special eye candies, sunglasses. The one accessory that Angelina Jolie, Brad Pitt, Katie Holmes or even Preeti Zinta will never leave home without on a sunny day. No answers for guessing, yes, it is their pair of designer sunglasses. An important fashion accessory that makes its way in every fashionista's wardrobe. 60s flavor is back in fashion and nowhere is the beatnik trend more evident than in the round, thick frames and sometimes crazy colors.
Trends which we see, like last year, we have larger frames, then you have lenses which are more gradient. When I say gradient, these are basically tonal effects from a top down, the tone dips down and so your eyes are also visible at the same time, it becomes very stylized. People have played a lot of colors on the temple. Some iconic brands like Ray-Ban have got the retro look back. You have the Wayfarers in colored things. So these are the trends that we see in 2009. But one thing is for sure, you'll definitely find bigger sunglasses this year. And I'm sure the trend will also continue next year.
There's an influx of luxury brands trying to get your attention with these stylish eye candies. And we decided to get the best for the season. Latest trends, new style and lots of factor. Let's start with a brand which has always pushed the boundaries of style, keeping a classic look, Prada. Big size but new shapes for a Prada woman this summer. The butterfly style for that chic look or a bow-shaped pair of eyes for that trendy statement. While Prada men keep it simple with a metal rim and radiant glass to get a double color effect. While the arm sides are kept minimalistic. This Italian style statement starts at 13,000 onwards. Your shades are definitely low on the bling factor this season and jewelry brand Bulgari's summer collection explains this even further. The white collection for Bulgari women has just a tinge of bling for that classy touch. But for that exclusivity, the limited edition series always stands out. Swarovski crystals on the side arms with a classic retro feel will definitely make heads turn. Priced at 29,760 rupees. Bulgari men should not feel out of place as they get a new look with half-rim sunglasses. The next brand on the list is the one which wants to have some fun this season. Dolce & Gabbana boasts new and captivating designs that stand out for their elegant, wide and soft models with rounded wraparound shapes, designed for the style-conscious women and men. Funky colors is definitely the highlight for this brand. Now let's talk about a brand which can safely be termed as the most popular brand in the sunglass segment, Ray-Ban. But this season, the classic aviators from the Top Gun era get a new look and feel as the brand becomes even more colorful and retro. This summer, beat the heat in style and also have some fun with your eye candies. The Beach collection by Ray-Ban offers bright, bold colors with titanium frames. Minimalistic styling on pure lines with a contemporary feel defines the Sun collection of this classic label. Priced at 5,500 onwards. But Big Spenders also believes that fashion cannot be followed blindly. It's important to blend this little fashion accessory to your personal style.
See, when you talk about the flavor of the season, I think big gold sunglasses are in and there's lots of color. But keeping that aside, I think one must choose a pair of sunglasses that complements their face. So for example, if you have too small a face, don't follow a trend and get oversized sunglasses. You're just going to end up hiding yourself. So I think while being trendy, go for a color in that case. Be trendy, but pick up something that complements your face. That's what I think.
So this summer, keep the glare of your eyes with some spanking designer sunglasses. But of course, as big spenders always says, keep with the trend and you're sure to be making a style statement. It's time now to explore a fashion boutique that truly defines luxury with style. Versace's first accessory store in the country, which promises to get you the best from the world of Italian fashion. Take a look.
Versace, the fashion house iconic for its path-breaking designs and over-the-top Italian looks appeal, has just made another first. This one sure to gladden the Indian fashionista's heart, for they've just launched their first accessory store in India. .800 square feet of concentrated high fashion. Shoes, bags, belts, ties, and sunglasses. The latest designs in the plushest locale, right here in Mumbai.
The launch of the store was sure to be a well-attended event. Dino Moria came as the chief guest. It could be the Italian connection that drew him there, but we think it was the Italian indulgence.
Versace to me is obviously one of the biggest brands I've ever known about. Ever since a kid, we've always heard about Gianni Versace. Versace to me is very special because I went to his house, Yeah, when I was in Florida, I went to his house, we saw it, and it's really beautiful. So growing up, we heard a lot of Gianni Versace, and you get associated with that brand, you hear about that brand, when we travel, we see a lot of the brand all over the place. So for me, Versace is with great quality, with some fantastic products for men and women. So yeah, Versace is something to look forward to. Well, I do like this brand. I do enjoy wearing the Versace brand. Besides just clothes and accessories, they've diversified into hotels and residences and doing up, interiors of cars, for instance. So I chose to come here because I think it's a fantastic brand to be associated with. It's a global brand in India for the first time, so why not me, actually? I'm honored.
No offense to Mr. Moria, but the star of the afternoon was undoubtedly the beautiful cache of accessories that were unveiled. Featured on its glossy racks were Versace's classic and latest collections.
First, a bow to the classic, the quintessential Versace insignia which has come to signify class and celebrity around the world. The Greek E and the Medusa in their monogram collection.
In classic solids of black, white, gold and grey. We've seen them on the Hollywood red carpet and now we can get them too.
Most accessory stores ignore one half of the population, men. Well, this one doesn't. Gentlemen, feast your eyes on this.
Invariably, one sees women plying through the racks of fashion stores while men jostle for place on the couch to pass their time. Well, you won't want to sit around here. Pick from signature monogram ties to quirky bow ties, from sedate belts to flashy sunglasses. This store offers it all.
And now, hot off the runway, straight into the store, the fun, happy colors of Fall-Winter 08-09.
From the luxe bag to strappy gold sandals that are on the rage in Milan. See it first on the pages of fashion magazines and buy it first from this store.
And now, the best part, trial time. My advice to you, don't watch me, join me.
Time for a quick break, but on the other side, we'll tell you how to combine business with leisure. Luxury, class, elegance and comfort best describes a visit to the recently launched business wing, Radisson Privé, a one-of-its-kind concept that promises to give a new meaning to indulgence.
Luxury is all about feeling very unique and very special. So today on Big Spenders, I'm here at a place which promises to make you feel very unique and highly privileged. I'm here at the luxury wing of Radisson MBD Noida, Privé. Privé in French means private, and this promises to take indulgence to the next level. So let's find out what's in store for us. Privé, the luxury wing at Radisson MBD Noida, is a perfect blend of luxury with hospitality and comfort with style. And to know more about this luxurious Privé experience, I'm here to meet Sonika Malhotra, the director of MBD Group. Hi Sonika, how are you doing?
Hi Ritu, very well, thank you. How are
Thank you
doing?
so much. I'm doing good too. In fact, I was very impressed with this whole luxury wing. So I wanted to know what is the whole concept behind Privé?
Well, Privé is, as the name really personifies, it's a preview into the luxury area of the hotel. And this is like a little teaser into the market, wherein initially when we started off with the Radisson MBD Hotel, it was the first five-star hotel in Noida. And Privé is going to be the first step into introducing luxury into Noida. So that's the basic step of Privé.
Okay. So what are the highlights of Privé? I mean, what are you offering to your business traveler?
Actually, the business travelers we had analyzed over these more than 5 years of experience. The business traveler works really hard and wants that before and after the work hours, they have a very de-stressing kind of an experience. So the entire intent was that apart from the entire luxury of having probably the best of food and the wine and the space for themselves, we wanted to do a very de-stressing spa-oriented kind of a feel to the rooms as well.
So this looks like a perfectly conducive environment for all kinds of business meetings. But tell me more about the experience that you offer here. The lounge is a very private place, I understand, as you said. But what are the kind of facilities that you're offering over here?
Basically, it's a one-stop for luxury. And the benchmark is not just the Indian luxury standards, but we've analyzed the luxury standards internationally available. Privé Lounge is particularly an entitlement only for the Privé users. You can have your own private breakfast over here. You can also do your private meetings should you want. And so we have, a course service, which could be, should you want to go in for Italian, you want to go in for French. So it's a cuisine also of your preference. So the lounge can be customized as per the requirement of the guests who are staying in the hotel. And this Privé Lounge, because of the access control you have in over here, it cannot be accessed by any other guest in the hotel. So
it's
the
very private.
exclusivity factor is something which we can brag about.
Sonika, I see there's a very unique design theme running through this whole luxury wing. And it has a very colonial and yet a classic and a timeless appeal to the architecture. So who has designed this for you?
Actually, the entire design inspiration and the concept, I can very proudly claim that it's been done by our senior director, Ms. Monica Malhotra.
So now let's head to the ultra luxurious rooms that I've heard so much about.
Absolutely. These are the Privé rooms that I was talking to you about.
All right. They're absolutely beautiful.
I mean, this is about, even in terms of size, probably the largest room size that you have, about 58 square meters of a room size that you have. And very interesting in terms of even the privacy aspect, especially from the women travelers' point of view. You have a private check-in, and then there is a security control right at the beginning. So if you don't have your access card, you cannot enter into the Privé area, neither the Privé Lounge. So that's a very, very important aspect which most of the business travelers are looking in at.
Especially female
these days.
business travelers.
Yes, absolutely.
How is it different from the existing luxury hotels in Delhi or in the NCR region?
It is very interesting from the point of view is that, most of the hotels, when they develop the rooms, They look at it, how convenient it is from the business angle, but they forget to incorporate the angle that what does a guest do after he or she finishes work, because that's exactly why they use the room for. So the entire de-stress or the spa kind of experience is what we are trying to inculcate. And when the guest checks in, we have a very interesting concept of a foot soak. I mean, if I may just show you, we give a very nice foot relieving soak to the person who checks in.
So this is what, the foot soak is what greets your business traveler when he enters the room.
Absolutely. And we also make sure that, before the guest actually checks in, we've taken his or her requirements of what kind of music he or she likes, the kind of books they like to read, the movie they want to, watch. And you also have like a private library which is created for the guest. So we've already taken the requirement and it's already pre-fed into the room. And, you also have the concept of a video conferencing which is created in the room. So depending upon, some people work at odd hours. Let's say they're in England or in the US. So they can have video conferencing at their own, for the usage. And then once they're done with their entire hard work for the day, they can actually chill at the jacuzzi, which is, which has a starlight at the top. You can take your own body scrub and just be with your own self in your own space and just luxury personified.
And everything is personalized.
Everything is personalized, be it the body scrub that you want, the kind of aroma you want, even the steam that is put into the room. It's an individual steam that we have. The aromas are completely personalized.
So how much does this lap of luxury set you back by?
Well, it's not too much. It just costs you about 20,000 rupees a day. And in that 20,000 rupees, you get the luxury that you want.
All right. I'm sure it's a perfect sanctuary, whether it's for hectic meetings or a perfectly indulgent weekend. Thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you so much.
It's time now to give you a new look with a designer touch in our new use segment, where we get you the best from the world of fashion. And this week, designer Anjali Kapoor helps big spenders to get a glamorous evening look.
With a high-profile celebrity clientele like Deepika Padukone, Lara Datta and Hema Malini choosing to grace the red carpet with their artful creations and stores in India and abroad, this designer duo has truly arrived on the Indian fashion scenario. Anjali and Arjun Kapoor is one designer duo which is truly popular, and that is why I've decided to catch up with Anjali to find out more about the fashion trends for this spring-summer. Hi Anjali and welcome to the show.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. So Anjali, tell me, which is the one fashion trend which is really big for this spring-summer?
Summers, when you talk about summers, it's always the whites, which is everybody's favorite. And that is one color which stays in vogue forever. Other than that, it's the vibrant colors for me. I think you beat the summer heat with a lot of color, which kind of makes it more exciting. And that's what I've done. I've used a lot of very vibrant aquas, very vibrant hot pinks, very vibrant like a moss green. So these are the colors which kind of blend in with the skin tones, and they kind of bring out your personality and makes a very happy garment.
But I believe for this season, the one outfit which is really big internationally and nationally is the gown, the evening gown.
I mean, when you talk about fashion getting global, you can truly see that in the Indian fashion trends. I just feel gowns, whether it is like a slim fit gown or the draped gowns or the poofed up gowns, I think any form of these Western sensibility with our Indian rich embroideries can make a wow garment.
So an evening gown is the ultimate and the most perfect expression of style. So out of your beautiful creations, which are the ones you're going to show us today?
The first gown that I'm going to show you is a classic white flowy gown. I think it's all-time and a must-have in every girl's wardrobe today, because it's something that you can wear it to a party, or you could wear it for a special event, you could wear it for somebody's reception. So it's fantastic, and I think it's just something which brings out that oomph factor in any woman who can carry it off.
Okay, that's absolutely gorgeous, but what kind of fabric have you used for this gown?
For this gown, I've done a lot of my silver and gray ornamentation, since the background is a white white background, and the whole flowy effect is with the white georgette, which you know, gives you that very very flowy, very feminine feel.
So there's a whole gamut of colors in the spring summer. There's a splash of vibrant colors and there are pastels.
Yes.
But which color do you think is really big?
I think a whole lot of vibrant colors, and along with them metallic colors. I don't like using the very jarring metallics for my gowns, but I surely like to use metallics in terms of the stretch satin, which falls beautifully, it drapes well, and the sheen is also subtle.
Gown was absolutely stunning, but which is the next look that you have in mind for us?
I have a draped gown that we were talking about, you know, which is very, again, accepted globally really well. You know, you would see how it kind of falls, it kind of clings to your body and has a beautiful finish to it. And, you know, the silhouette is very interesting. And it doesn't have a set pattern. You kind of drape it on the dummy and then stitch it up. So I think that's really nice, yeah.
Okay. So all the fine embroidery and dazzling embellishments are sure to turn heads. Thank you so much, Anjali, for
You're
joining
welcome.
us.
You're
Thanks a
welcome.
lot.
Thank you.
That's all that we have for you in this special edition of Big Spenders, but do send us your feedback and suggestions. You can write into us at bigspenders@ndtv.com. You could also SMS us at big space your message and send it to 56388. So till next week, goodbye and keep shopping big.